Hello friends, I am Shraddha. I am a second year undergraduate student in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at IIT Madras. To all who love arts and humanities, IIT Madras offers a 5-year integrated MA program in English and Development Studies. And the golden ticket to this course is to crack HSEE, Humanities and Social Sciences Entrance Examination. HSEE is a national level entrance test held exclusively for this course. Students who have completed 12th or are currently in 12th can appear for this exam. It is open to all streams. HSEE is a 3-hour exam and it has 2 parts. The first part deals with multiple choice questions and the second part has an essay question. In this part, you'll have to write an essay by choosing a topic from the options given. Usually, there will be 3 to 4 options and you will be given half an hour to complete this. In the first part, that is MCQ, there will be questions relating to quant, maths up to 10th standard and some logical reasoning questions, then English, reading comprehension, grammar and vocab, and then comes the general studies part. Here, you can expect questions about Indian society and culture, economics, history, and also world affairs and environment and ecology. Regarding the questions in general studies part, you can go through NCERT humanities textbooks of plus 1 and plus 2 and do some extra reading related to those themes. Also, for the environment and ecology part, you can refer plus 2 biology textbook, especially the chapters in unit 10. Also, always keep yourselves informed of relevant current affairs. I advise you to read national newspapers like The Hindu. It's not only for current affairs. It will also help you a lot while preparing for the essay part. Usually, the essay topics will be connected to the themes or be related to the themes you study in plus 1 and plus 2 humanities course. But while writing the essay, you should be able to connect them to relevant examples or current events. Don't worry if you have opted science or commerce stream in plus 2. Say those who are into quizzing, that would really help. Now coming into the essay part, ideally, your essay should focus on 5 aspects. It must have an introduction that hooks the reader. Also, it must contain an overview of what you're going to cover in the essay. Then, explain the main points in detail. Touch the pros and cons of that particular issue. And finally, it must have a conclusion that reflects your opinion and suggestions. Also, try to write the essay in simple sentences because the clarity of expressions is quite important. Remember that when it comes to getting into the rank list, your essay part has more weightage. And more importantly, go through the previous question papers and practice mock test to get a better idea. HSCE is not a very tough exam, but it has a vast syllabus. I took humanities in plus 2, so I found the general studies part easier. But the quant part was a little bit difficult for me. So I went for coaching and it not only helped me in maths but also in improving my English. And for those who took science or commerce stream in plus 2, you may not be familiar with the themes in economics or sociology and political science. So I would suggest that at least attend a crash course because it will definitely help you get a better picture regarding these topics. Now, talking about the courses offered, one of the main features of this program is its multidisciplinary nature. You will get an opportunity to study a wide range of subjects: economics, sociology, political science, international relations, environment, philosophy, linguistics, foreign languages, etc. If you are interested in pursuing humanities and social sciences, but unsure of what really interests you, then this course is perfect for you. Since you get a taste of everything, you will be able to discover your true passion. For the first 2 years, the students will follow a common curriculum. The stream allocation happens in the 3rd year. It will be based on the students' preferences and the availability of seats. They can either specialize in English studies or in development studies. Now, my friend Archa will share more about the scope of this program and our life at IIT. I hope you find this session interesting and informative. Thanks a lot for listening.